Join me on this African safari to draw Simba, from the Disney movie, The Lion King. Remember to slow the speed of the video, or pause it at any time to learn the drawing. I start with drawing a crop of hair, to begin with a facial orientation. Next I create the ears, so that I can center the rest of the face. Connect the top of the head to the ears. Finish the outer rim of the ears to the beginning of the jaw, then center the nose section to these lines. A line where his snout meets his face is a great reference point. Continue drawing the jaw lines down to the chin, and connect them with a somewhat horizontal line. Art is a very visual learning process. Watch as the remainder of the facial features are drawn in. Onto the body. You will notice, for certain curved lines, I draw in the air over the section, and then touch the paper and do the actual drawing. The tail is drawn almost like a letter C. Make sure to place a bushy end on it for the hair. When drawing the hind leg, I start with the paw. This way I am able to judge the length and width of the leg when positioning it on the body. The back paw will look large because Simba is sitting. This leg is drawn bent, and short to represent squatting. The front legs are drawn extended, yet shown pushing his body slightly to the rear. This is done not only to represent him sitting, but to show the power and respect he portrays as a young lion. Keeping both front legs together, the paws will be lined up in a row. Again, notice I align to get some proper angles and curves before drawing. Drawing in the chest area separates the two front legs from each other. I color my pictures using the Microsoft Paint program provided on my computer. Starting this new year, I would like to present my tutorial videos in this fashion. Please leave your thoughts in the comments as to what you think of this format. My drawings will concentrate on Disney cartoons, however, there may be times when I add in a variation to the blend. Thank you for coming on this safari of drawing Simba from the Disney movie The Lion King. If you like this video, subscribe so you do not miss similar future adventures.